G'day, Oscar from Motorcycle Cruise. Just reviewing a cruise control that's been fitted up to this Sidekick Kubota RTV GX850. On this kit we've fitted up a spray harness as well, so that we can control the switching either automatically or manually of the spray adapter. So this kit comes with a switch that's going to be mounted up on the dash, so you can see there's a separate switch for the spray on the side, on the left hand side, and then your set, resume, on off buttons. That harness would run down the side of the dash here and then down through the firewall just in the front here, and it runs around to the computer, which will be installed underneath this rubber cover and velcroed onto the front here. As you can see, the harness will come with all the connectors required to connect in. These two here are the spray harness and the main switch harness. We have an earth connection up the top here, so going back to the computer. And then we're running some harnesses from this side over to the left hand side of the vehicle to pick up brake. Also from here we're running underneath the cabin, so dropping the harness down and then running it underneath the cabin, and then coming back up on the chassis here. So we have this harness here, runs down along the back here, around the back to the electro servo unit, which we've mounted on the back rail here. So the harness comes here. From the servo unit we supply a cable here with a nice cover rubber boot on it. That then runs back up to the cable interface unit. The cable interface unit is mounted just above the throttle body, so just here. So from the throttle body we've removed, down here, the little throttle body, we've removed the original throttle cable that's fed up into the cable interface unit here, and we've replaced that and supplied in the kit a carburetor cable, so that goes from the cable interface unit back down here and then pops back up to the throttle body just in here, so it replaces the original throttle. The last two electrical connections are made up underneath the bonnet again. On the right hand side of the vehicle we have a connector just in there, that one there, that's the CAN communication connection. And then finally over on the left hand side in front of the driver, it's a little bit difficult to pick up, but down on the brake pedal, down in this area here, there's a brake and power connection that needs to be made. So again, all the wiring harness will come with a plug and play, so it's a matter of just disconnecting and reconnecting those plugs. So that's the review of the Kubota Sidekick installation. Everything will be in the instructions and in the kit to make the assembly nice and easy. That's the quick review of the motorcycle cruise control fitted to the Kubota Sidekick RTV 850. Let us know how you get on fitting up the kit, and if you need any further instructions, just drop us a line. Thank you.